All right, in this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to send individual invoices as well as subscriptions on Stripe. Now, let's start with what is Stripe. Stripe is a method to send individual invoices like on PayPal, but in my opinion, Stripe is a bit more professional than PayPal and you have lower transaction fees, right? Now, to start with Stripe, first you have to create an account. So below this video, there is a button and link on how to get started with Stripe. So first you have to go through the whole verification process. So you have to just enter all your details as well as connecting your bank account to Stripe. And once you are approved for that, you will see this screen. And what you're going to do then, you're going to send the first individual invoice. Now, on this demo account, I'm going to show you that. So what you're going to do then, you're going to customers, then go to invoices. Now here you see all the individual invoices that have been paid or that are outstanding. So what you then do, you're going to add a new customer. Now, let's say this customer is Johan Brink. And what you then do, you're going to add new customer, Johan Brink. His email is Johan Brink hotmail.com. Now here, this is really important. You have to choose the currency here. Now I always choose for US dollars. And once you have choose that currency there, you cannot change it later on. So be aware of that. Otherwise, you have to just add a new customer again. Now, here you click on add new customer. What you then do, you can give the product item a description. So I do always GB consulting, for example, month 1 of 7. $500 per month. Now here, normally Stripe gives you the option to the due date then is 30 days. So here the customer can pay manually, right? And you have 30 days to do that. Now you may shorten this, for example, to 5 days, right? Now you also have the option to automatically charge a payment method on file. So let's say you already have a payment card on file from the customer. So that customer has already paid invoice before. Then you just click on that, and once you click then on send invoice and then send invoice, then Stripe will automatically charge his card. All right, so this is an option that it's in Stripe. It's not in PayPal. But yeah, if you prefer to pay manually, you just click on this, and then again you click on send invoice, and here this is a draft. And once you click, so this is actually the email he will see. So you just click on send invoice, and then the customer will receive an email. And it's really customer friendly. So they enter the detail, the name, credit card number, and they see the amount, and then they just pay it. So it's really user friendly also. And then he will be able to pay that invoice. Now, how you can see that? You can see that if that customer has been paid here, right? And you also can see that in the payments option. We see here all the payments that have been paid, right? Now, what you also can do, if you don't want to send all the time individual invoices, you can go to customers, and then you go to subscription, and here you can have set up a subscription. So for example, if your first coaching program is at $3,000 and you want to charge for 7 months $500, you can also just set up a subscription for $500 per month, and then that way you don't have to send invoices every single month, right? So now this is actually how Stripe is working in a nutshell. So great experience with Stripe. So let me know if you have any questions, and I see you in the next video.